Here's a trade with software traders. Trade is in progress. All of my traders are done this morning. As we discussed, this is not the best trade. The best trade played out much earlier this morning. What is the problem on this trade? We're in the red zone, the red lines running across. This putting it in category of very aggressive trade. You're trailing very, very carefully. You'll stop at 35.60. You're scaling out from your position. So if you missed the previous video where the alert was given 20 minutes prior, that's the trade. Students, been done long time ago. At the market open, million times better trades. Workday this morning, 10 minutes. At the open, 1 hour maximum. Done, done, done. This is very aggressive trade. This is your critical, crucial target, ultimate precision and simplicity of software in front of you. If you choose to ignore this as your target and you're not adjusting your trail very closely, you have a lot to learn. Much better trades few hours before. As Jason shares, maximum work 30 minutes. Waiting for the price to retrace and enjoy your trade. Now adjust your trail even closer. 35.62. We're expecting very sharp and powerful pullback next. This is crucial, critical moment. Ultimate precision and simplicity on Bitcoin as well. 7-day swing trade using identical system except on trade view. Not on Ninja. Every trader different platform. Some using software for Ninja 8, some don't. All of these traders know this is very aggressive trade. All of the other trades were much more conservative. Look at this. Our community growing daily. Traders supporting each other. Absolutely incredible stuff this morning. So if you did not enter market this morning, if you did not trade with institutions, you have a lot to learn. It was flawless. It was stunning. Now, price continue respecting Alpha Fibonacci target in front of you. Every single one of these traders knows this clearly. Obey the rules. Obey the targets. Trade with precision. As Alpha Fibonacci chess. Do not speculate. Do not waver from the rules. Did we know or did we know that this would be ultimate target? Of course. You're turning off your Walmart switch. You're turning off your gambling switch. You're turning on your Goldman switch. I only know how to raise top 1%. I don't know anything less. And that's what my traders do. Every trader, different account. Every trader, different instrument. You decide what you want to trade. And that's power of the system. And if you understand and obey the rules, the skies are the limit. Again, 4 points on S&P by trader who struggled for the previous 20 years. View Brad's movie he made. Listen to Brad's podcast. This is what he does nowadays. Consistent, stable, very powerful trading. Pablo, very different story, complete beginner trader, never pushed button on his computer. Now trading with Top Step Trader, my goodness. Serge, this is his first post, 99 points on Dow. funk trading last night, 3 weeks in the course. Look at this. At gold, at Jason, look at all these traders while Ken is doing this in Scotland, making movie. 143 trades, options and stocks. Not S&P, not Dow, Bitcoin. You decide what you want to trade, but you obey this target. Did we know or did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. Did we discuss how to adjust your trail? Of course. No speculation here. None are present. This is ultimate Alpha Fibonacci chess. So this is the email I received this morning. This is what strategic intelligent trader does, preparing very well for the trading day. With very healthy mindset, with very healthy breakfast, working 10 minutes this morning. That's it. 30 minutes workday. I love the subject line. It's a really, really good morning. This is a trader who obeys the rules. This is a trader who made serious effort. If Brett can do it, so can you. What is stopping you? Stop being Walmart trader. Start thinking and trading as Goldman trader does. Focusing on price only. Obeying Alpha Fibonacci targets. No matter what instrument you trade. So when price starts reversing from this level, no one is surprised, correct? This is the power of the system. This is ultimate simplicity. This is ultimate power. So when I have thousands and thousands of emails from traders from all over the world who obey the rules, who make serious effort, the skies are the limit. Only after 2 weeks in a course, this is the best tuition ever. Humbled to be with a group under your guidance, accomplishing this 1 week. But when Scott started the course, he lost sleep. He became obsessed for weeks. That's all I'm asking you to do, as you can see. This is a key. So if Scott can do this, if Brett can do this, if Pablo can do this, so can you. No matter what crisis it is. That's it. I love what I do. I'm only asking you to make an effort. And when 14-year-old boy can do it, what are you waiting for? Andy, his father brought him to the course. Dominic has done this. That's it. He knows. He's hedge fund trader for life. His father, hedge fund manager, sending me this email. All I'm asking you, make the effort, obey the rules. It is that simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. Turn off the gambling switch. Turn off the Walmart switch. Know where to enter, where to exit. And if you choose to use software, your life will be that much easier, even in the middle of crisis. So as you can see very clearly, price collapsing from the critical target, we expected this reversal. Everyone clear on this? This is ultimate precision, this is ultimate power, this is ultimate simplicity. So if you're ready to become top 1%, I look forward to working with you. You will never need anything else, as Alpha Fibonacci system applies to every instrument and can be traded on any platform and any account. So if you're joining us, it's one of the smartest things you've ever done in your life. Join community of traders in 50 plus countries since 2011 who are trading system globally. On all accounts, all instruments, traders of all levels. Listen to the podcasts from traders, multiple podcasts posted, view students' performance, thousands and thousands and thousands of emails coming constantly, showing you what's possible if you make an effort. If you come to the home page and you will review 4 course options available, please remember, it is a lifetime system that applies to it all. 3 months group course with video library, with modules, or lifetime license of software. Private mentoring 4 months includes all group classes. Choice is yours. What you will decide to take. Private mentoring, I spell out to you. One-on-one. Multi-million-dollar trade. Trade I taught to JP Morgan trader. That's it. You will never, ever, ever need anything else. If you want to trade Apple, if you want to trade Amazon, of course you can. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.